It's Uwan's Typhoon.
Nakayosikan mo.
Tama na. Wala naman hindi.
It's Uwan's Typhoon, guys. So we're going to check the room in one of the resort, like 5 minutes away from our house. And I'll check the room there if they have extra room for my kids and grandma, so they can sleep and safe tonight.
Yeah. Pagdalin niyo ba ta? Mingga.
So let's go, guys. Let's go. Ma, dito na kami. Wala ka nag-jacket ako eh. Hindi, nasa moron na sila. Meron po kayong available na room. Pwede po patingin. Magkano po ba yung room nyo dito?
May hindi pare-pareho. Kung gusto niyo aircon, medyo mahal.
Magkano po yung ganun per night?
Sasamahan ko.
Tara na.
Kailan ba?
Ngayon po sana. Madulas na. Diyan lang po sa hulo. Sa Pambulo. Pwede din pong 8 people, no? Hindi. 8 people. Maglatag na lang.
Namin yung extra bill.
May bayad po yun.
200.
200 ang per bed. Magkano po yung ganito? 3,500 per night. Tapos may CR na rin po. Ano naman siguro?
3.5 plus entrance.
May
na
entrance pa
1.8.
po.
Mm.
Magkano?
Yung 3.5, yun yung kwarto lang.
Tapos may entrance
180.
pa.
Mm-mm.
Magkano po yung entrance?
180. 22 hours na yan.
Each? 180 each or?
180 each.
So I'm back to the house, guys, from Mountain View Resort. 3,500 for the room per night for 22 hours, and we need to pay 180 pesos per head entrance. We just have to bring small gasol or gas for for cooking. Dun sa sa may kwarto. Agad. Lang. Dito. Ay. Hindi pa, sasama pa ako.
Yung mga ano, tawag doon. Diyan na. Ano ba? Yung...
Baka may ilaw din dito, ah. Yan.
Hiyar mo na eh.
Tingnan mo ako may tubig. Meron. Dito yung mga lutuan. Our kitchen's gonna be here. Let's go back. So we're back from Mountain View.
Ayan pa.
The
Ilagay mo
house.
dito para makita.
Milk and everything.
Lagay mo muna dito. Ayan to. Nadala.
Yung kaldero, ma.
Oh, ayan.
Weh. Okay na?
Kaya alalahanin mo dito.
Okay. Ako, iwan? Pwede rin, oo. Sa atin yan. Green. Green ba yan? Green? Oo. Ano? Ah, red? Wala. Ibigay mo kay Lola yan, yung payo. Sakay na.
Ayotsi.
Ay.
Dito kami nagpunta nun eh. Dito.
Payong pala.
Kaya natangga.
Alisin niyo muna rin.
Ganda na nga.
Kanan. Takbo na. Takbo. Dahan-dahan, madulas.
Did you found me beautiful?
Mapayang ka nga. May payong sila. Si tita, payungan mo ma.
Ay, wag na.
Baka kayo ang madulas. Ay, maano si Jackson.
So guys, I'm on the way to my cousin's house. There's no Wi-Fi or signal in the resort. So, grandma and the kids are safe now. They're already there and my auntie, one of my auntie is there. So, yeah, to help out. And I need a signal to inform the people who help us, who participate to get a room and for the foods. Thank you everyone. I already have clothes here, and if it's not clean yet, I just gonna borrow clothes from my cousin. She's a really nice person. So I'm here now guys, and then now we're gonna fill up all the gallons here from the drum. So guys, one of our family here evacuated from their store up there. So all their things are here. And then auntie and her daughter will be with grandma and my daughters in the resort to be safe. So as you can see guys, their store is here, up here, beside the road. So yeah, as you can see, it's not really good position to sleep and to stay. I don't know if you can see guys. So yeah, they'll be with grandma. So I'm here now at our house. It's good so far. Here's grandma and Jackson's gate. Before. Oh yeah. And there's a leak, I guess. Yeah. It's leaking up there. As you can see, it's wet here. Here's the other one. Let's go. Yes, mamahan yan. Oh, nandito pala si ano? Dito. Ay, si ano?
Ang ginaw. Gumagan pa na yan. Nakakain pa nga kayo.
Ha?
Nakakain pa nga kayo.
Bakay ganun na.
Mama, mama yung charger.
Andun sa ano? Nakalolay. Nandun sa plastic.
May power bank saan ba?
Andun sa plastic na may kandila. Yung bag na. Okay lang kayo dito? Bakit bukas yung bintana?
May wakwak.
Ano meron dyan?
Oo.